How's it going, guys? Welcome to another brand new video here on the channel. Today I've got an awesome Android home screen setup to show you. Very simple and easy to set up within a short time, so if you're interested, then feel free to drop a like on the video and let's get started. So as you can see, guys, this is the setup. It's got a very minimal icon pack arranged at the bottom, a beautiful transparent widget on top, a Google search icon at the top, with a very beautiful wallpaper that matches perfectly. Alright guys, the launcher I used for this setup is obviously Nova Launcher Prime, but if you are not using the Prime, I believe you can still go ahead and set this on your home screen. Actually, what's on the home screen requires no Prime feature to set up, so yeah, Nova Launcher is the launcher for this setup. The icon pack in this setup is a white outline minimal icon pack called Reeve. I'm using the light version, but you can go ahead and purchase the Pro version for about $5 if you dig this icon pack. But again, the light version is good enough to make this setup a beautiful one as it is. Once we are done with the icon pack, let's look at the beautiful widget on top of the home screen. It's got a very nice transparent background and it's from a KWGT widget pack called Terra. It has 4 tabs which showcases several information. You've got the first tab which shows the date and time as well as the battery information. The second tab showing the calendar events for the day in particular and for the days ahead. The third tab showing the weather information currently and for the days ahead as well. The last tab displaying the music playing with functioning controls as well as volume control. I should say the widgets in this pack are beautiful, and for this setup I went with this one, widget number 12. This widget pack is free to download, so go ahead and get it, link is in the description. The Google search bar at the top is very easy to get. Just long press on your home screen to go to your widget section, scroll down to Google and drag the search bar to the home screen and resize it. Aside resizing, I've done a little customization to it to suit the home screen aesthetic. You can do same by opening the Google app and then go to More, then to Customize Widgets. You can do 1 or 2 settings here and then save it by hitting the done at the top. So yeah, that's it for this beautiful one-page Nova Launcher setup. Let me know if you like it and don't forget to leave me a like. Again, if you like this setup, then please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll definitely catch you in my next video.